Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever dreamed of transforming your backyard into a personal sanctuary? A place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life? Well, the secret might be simpler than you think. It's not always about grand renovations or expensive features. Sometimes the most profound change begins with a single pause. A thoughtfully designed walkway can do more than just guide your steps. It can weave your entire garden together, creating a story, a journey, and a truly magical atmosphere. Today, we're diving into more than 100 stunning backyard walkway designs that will inspire you to create your own relaxing personal haven. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a cozy courtyard, there is a perfect match waiting for you. Let's start with materials, because the material you choose sets the entire tone of your garden. If you're aiming for a natural, rustic look, you can't go wrong with the stone. Flagstone, with its irregular shapes and earthy colors, creates a pause that feels like it was always meant to be there, blending seamlessly with the surrounding nature. For a more uniform, classic look, consider slat or bluestone, which offer clean lines and sophisticated shades of gray and blue. And of course, there are river rocks and pebbles. A pebble mosaic path can become a true work of art, while a simple gravel path offers a satisfying crunch underfoot, a sound that's both rustic and wonderfully calming. Now, if you prefer a warmer or organic touch, wood is a fantastic choice. Wooden slices, often called tree cookies, can be set into the ground like stepping stones, bringing a whimsical forest floor feel to your yard. For a more structured design, consider a blue walk-style path made from weather-resistant lumber like cedar or redwood. This is perfect for bringing damp areas or creating an elevated walkway through lush plantings. It brings a coastal and cabin-like vibe that's incredibly inviting. You can also use reclaimed wood or railway ties for a rugged, weathered look that tells a story of its own, adding character and history to your garden landscape. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content so far? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Going back to our walkway design ideas, of course we can't forget the timeless classic brick and concrete. Brick paths offer unparalleled charm and versatility. You can lay them in traditional patterns like herringbone or basket weave, for a formal, clean, elegant look that evokes old English gardens, or you can opt for more relaxed running bone patterns. Bricks come in various colors, from classic red to sandy buffs, allowing you to perfectly match your home exterior. Concrete has also become a long way from boring grey slabs. You can use poured concrete to create sleek modern pathways with clean, minimalist lines. Or get creative with stamped concrete that mimics the look of natural stone, brick, or even wood, giving you durability and endless design possibilities at a fraction of the cost. Once you have chosen the material, it's time to think about the design of the path itself. The shape of your walkway dramatically influences how you experience your garden. A straight path is direct, formal, and efficient. It creates a strong visual line, leading the eye and your feet directly to a focal point like a beautiful statue, a cozy seating area, or a vibrant flower bed. This style works wonderfully in geometric, contemporary, or formal garden designs, leading a sense of order and purpose. It's a powerful statement of intent, guiding you with clarity from one point to another. But if you want to create a sense of mystery and discovery, a curved path is the way to go. A gently winding walkway encourages a slower pace, inviting you to meander and enjoy the journey. Each turn can reveal a new vista, a hidden bench, a cluster of unique plants, or a small water feature. This element of surprise makes your garden feel larger and more intriguing. A curved path feels more organic and natural, mimicking the gentle, flowing lines found in nature. It's perfect for cottage gardens, woodland settings, or any space where you want to encourage leisurely exploration and quiet contemplation. Another enchanting option is the stepping stone path. This design is all about creating a playful and formal journey. Whether you use large flat stones, round wood slices, or custom poured concrete pavers, stepping stones create a path that is light and airy. This allows the grass or ground cover to grow between them, integrating the walkway beautifully into the lawn. This style is perfect for less trafficked areas or for creating a secondary path through a flower bed. It has certain whimsical charm, making you feel like you are hopping from one little island to the next as you navigate your garden paradise. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to add character. To truly elevate your walkway, don't overlook the details, especially the edging. Pathway edging is like the frame on a beautiful painting. It defines the space, keeps materials like gravel or mulch in place, and gives your path a clean, finished look. For a natural edge, you can use larger stones or river rocks that complement your material. Metal edging, often made of steel or aluminum, offers a crisp, almost invisible line that's perfect for modern designs. Brick or stone pavers set on their side create a classic, sturdy border. For a softer, more cottage garden feel, you can even use low-growing plants like thyme or creeping phlox as a living edge. And what happens when the sun goes down? Your garden's magic shouldn't have the end as the night falls. Pathway lighting is essential for both safety and ambience. Therefore, pathway lighting is your next consideration. For this, low voltage solar power lights are an easy and eco-friendly option. You can stack them along the paths to cast a gentle glow guiding your way. For a more dramatic effect, consider downlighting from trees or uplighting key features along the paths. Rope lights or string lights can be used to outline the walkway, creating a festive and magical atmosphere perfect for evening gatherings. The right light transforms your path into a beacon in the night, inviting you out to enjoy your garden under the stars. So, as you can see, a backyard walkway is so much more than just a way to get from here to there. It's a design element that can completely redefine your outdoor space. It's a chance to express your personal style, whether it's rustic, modern, classic, or whimsical. It's an invitation to slow down, to connect with nature, and to see your own backyard in a new light. We hope these 100+ ideas have sparked your imagination and inspired you to start planning. Think about the feeling you want to create, the materials that speak to you, and the journey you want to take every time you step outside. Your personal heaven is waiting to be created, one step at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked walkway design ideas you can use to recreate your gardens. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.